Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of React Native. So today we are going to learn about the React Native async storage. Okay, so what is async storage in the React Native? So basically async storage can store the data on string data. In order to store the object data, you need to serialize it first. And for data serialize JSON, you can use it with the help of JSON stringify when saving the data. Basically, you can see that whenever we have a login API, there is a JWT authentication token, right? And which is currently used all over the app. Okay, so we are going to so on that note, we can use this async storage to store the token and use it globally whenever there is a requirement. Okay, so what are the steps to store that one? So this is the video on that, how async storage package will help you to store the data into your local storage and you can reuse whenever you want. Basically it is global declared, globally it is set, so you can use it anywhere. And basically it is helpful in the JWT authentication part, so you have to store the token at your storage level so that you can reuse in the APIs, right? So let's have a tutorial on that. So basically for the installation, what you need to do is install this package React Native async storage, and then again we have to link it. Okay, in the lower version this will provide it, right? So you need to auto link it. Okay, so this we have already done, right? So this part is already finished. Then we have a storage key, whatever we can set the storage key you can add here. There is a method called set item. So whatever the token you are getting from the API, you can store it. Okay, then you can read the data. There is a method called get item, so you can whatever the data that you are saving in your application, you can just get it with the help of this one. And if you want to clear that storage, you need to, there is a function that is called clear storage, where you need to clear all the token that we have, and it will show that the storage has been cleared successfully. Correct. So this is the very simple it is. So basically it is used for just for token. You can save it or any other information that you want to save and that is used globally, that is language or something. You can use async storage for that, and it is very useful on that note. Okay, so it's this is a very simple code that we can use or integrate any of your application in the React Native. Okay, so I think it's and you can see the functions also in the usage. You can see that there is a store data function. There is storing an object value. You can store the object value, right? Here you can see that they have stored the object value. You can read the data like this. Okay, get item. Okay, at the storage what the value of it is. So you can do this way, like you can get the values and play with that one. Okay, so this is the tutorial on the async storage. I hope you understand and clear on that where you want to store, use this async storage plugin. Okay. So I think that's it for now. Let's meet in the next video. I hope you understand what exactly we have done. Okay. Any query, any issue in that, just let me know. I will show you this code that I forgot about this one, which that is that whenever you try any kind of input, so basically it will, your input is this. So you can see that in the code level we have added whatever we are trying to add on like here your input. So whatever we are adding here, so the data is showing what your is your input. Okay, so value it is, so it is showing the values over here. And whenever we can done it, then the input data saves successfully. That means the data is stored successfully into your local storage. So here you can see that we have saved the data successfully, right? And you can read the data with the help of the get item. Whatever the data you are saving it, just help of the storage get, you will get the item and you can use it anywhere. And there is a function that is clear storage. So whenever we have a clear storage button, click over here. So this is save data. Okay, I want to clear the storage, so storage clear is cleared automatically. Okay, so these are the functions that you can use in the async storage and helpful in the storing any kind of data that you want to use globally, that is for the language or password tokens that you want to save in the async storage. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching it. Have a nice day.